Are you tired of staying in the same boring cookie-cutter hotels? What if you could do more than just visit a UNESCO World Heritage Site? What if you could live inside it for just under $50 a night? In this video, we're in Penang, Malaysia, to uncover incredible hidden gem hotels that most tourists will never find. These are the stays with incredible history, style, and comfort that prove luxury accommodations don't need a luxury price tag. Stick around, because our number one pick is a cultural experience and an unbelievable value you can't miss. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your guide to smarter travel. Today, we're taking you to the island of Penang, a place bursting with culture, history, and some of the world's best food. Finding the right hotel can make or break your trip, but it can be hard to find a place with character that doesn't drain your wallet. That's where we come in. We've curated a list of the 10 best affordable hidden gem hotels in Penang, Malaysia, so you can enjoy a unique boutique experience without breaking the bank. Trust us, these are the best hidden gems under budget. Let's start the countdown. Number 10, Sav Hotel. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Sav Hotel. With rooms often starting around $68 a night, this is a fantastic modern choice right on the waterfront. Located on Penang Weld, you're literally steps away from the famous clan jetties. What makes Sav a smart budget choice is its blend of modern amenities and prime location. The highlights here are the sleek, clean rooms and the gorgeous outdoor swimming pool, a perfect oasis for cooling down. Some rooms even offer stunning sea views. It's a family-friendly hotel that proves you don't need to stay in a pre-war building to be in the heart of the action. You get comfort, a great hotel pool, and easy access to Georgetown's best sites. Number 9, Betel Nut Lodge. Coming in at number 9 is Betel Nut Lodge, a beautifully refurbished 19th century heritage building where rooms can start from as low as $35 a night. Located in the heart of Georgetown's UNESCO site, you're just a few hundred meters from the Compter Complex and Pranjan Mall. This lodge is a true hidden gem, offering an intimate, cozy cultural experience with only a handful of rooms. Each room is unique, featuring antique furniture and modern comforts. It's a smart choice for travelers who want that authentic old-world charm and warm hospitality without the high price tag. It's small, personal, and packed with character. Number 8, Yuen Heritage Guesthouse. At number 8, we have Yuen Heritage Guesthouse. Tucked away on the famous Love Lane, this boutique spot offers an intimate stay with rooms sometimes starting around $41. This guest house is the definition of a hidden gem, with only 4 beautifully appointed suites that blend traditional elegance with modern comforts. It's a quiet, serene retreat right in the middle of the liveliest part of Georgetown. The staff are known for being incredibly helpful, adding to the feeling of being a special guest. This is the perfect stay for those looking to escape the crowds and enjoy a peaceful, authentic Penang experience. Number 7, Chulia Mansion. Number 7 is Chulia Mansion, a modern hotel offering fantastic value in a prime location, with prices that can be as low as $62 per night. Strategically located on Chulia Street, you're in the vibrant heart of Georgetown, surrounded by some of the city's best nightlife and street food. The top highlight is its incredible rooftop bar, which offers panoramic views of the city, a feature you'd expect from much more expensive luxury hotels. The rooms are clean, comfortable, and modern. It's a smart budget choice for travelers who want to be in the center of the energy and enjoy premium amenities, like a rooftop view, for a low cost. Number 6, Areca Hotel Penang. Next up at number 6 is Areca Hotel Penang. With rooms starting around $79, this hotel offers a polished heritage experience. Set in 12 beautifully restored shophouses on Khoo Seon Yu Road, it's named after the palm that gives Penang its name. The hotel shines with its spacious airy rooms and its lovely on-site cafe that serves local and Western food. They also offer free afternoon tea with snacks, a touch of luxury that guests love. This is a great option for those wanting a slightly more upscale feel, with excellent staff and a peaceful atmosphere, while still being in the UNESCO zone. Number 5. Spice's Hotel. Breaking into our top 5 is Spice's Hotel, an award-winning boutique hotel where design and history meet. Rooms here can start around $91. Located on the quiet Lumet Lane, Spice's Hotel is made up of 4 pre-war shophouses that have been painstakingly restored. Its unique highlight is the stunning interior design, which blends Moroccan, Spanish, and local influences. Another amazing feature is the serene courtyard garden, built around a preserved tree that's over 150 years old. This hotel feels like a home away from home, with plenty of common spaces to relax in. It's perfect for travelers who appreciate design and a quiet, cozy atmosphere. Number 4. Campbell House. At number 4 is Campbell House, a beautifully restored corner lot shophouse that offers a touch of affordable luxury, with rooms often starting around $94. Located on Campbell Street, you're surrounded by shops and some of Penang's most famous food spots. What makes this hotel special is its intimate feel, with only 12 rooms, each blending classic elegance with modern amenities like iPod docks and Nespresso machines. The hotel also features a fantastic Italian restaurant right on site. Campbell House is a smart choice for those seeking a more refined, almost European boutique experience. The staff are known for going above and beyond, making it feel like a truly personal stay. By the way, if you're already picturing yourself kicking back in one of these amazing spots, we've put the booking links for all the hotels right in the description below. When you use those links, it's a huge help in supporting our channel, so we can keep finding more hidden gems like these for you. And it doesn't cost you anything extra. Alright, on to our final 3, and they are exceptional. Number 3. Muntri Mews. Our bronze medal goes to Muntri Mews, a classic heritage gem where you can live inside a piece of Penang's history. While a step up in price, rooms can be found starting around $73. This hotel is captivatingly housed in what were originally Edwardian-era stables and carriage garages on the quiet, charming Muntri Street. The suites masterfully blend this rustic past with modern luxury. Many rooms feature romantic 4-poster beds and original artwork from local artists. The entire property opens up to lush tropical gardens, creating a calm, stylish retreat that feels a world away from the city buzz, even though you're in the heart of it. It's an immersive, atmospheric experience for any history lover. Number 2. Jawi Peranakan Mansion. Our runner-up, at number 2, is the breathtaking Jawi Peranakan Mansion. This hotel celebrates a unique side of Penang's multicultural story. This restored Anglo-Indian mansion on Hutton Lane is a stunning mix of Mughal, Indian, and British design, standing out from the common shophouse hotels. Stepping inside feels like entering another world, with lavish rooms decorated with ethnic fabrics and dark woods. The attention to detail is simply mind-blowing. One of its absolute best features is the tranquil hotel pool area, a beautiful, peaceful oasis perfect for escaping the heat. Some rooms even have private access right onto the pool deck. This is a memorable, magical stay for anyone looking for deep cultural immersion. Number 1. Nam Keng Hotel. And our number 1 hidden gem hotel in Penang is Nam Keng Hotel. This place is the perfect example of a budget boutique gem that gets everything right. Tucked away in the heart of Georgetown, finding it feels like you've been let in on a fantastic secret. The hotel is a stunning restoration of 3 pre-war shophouses from the early 1900s. Inside, it's a brilliant blend of vintage decor and clean modern design. For a price that is firmly in the affordable category, The rooms are spacious, spotless, and incredibly comfortable. The value is simply outstanding. There's a peaceful central courtyard where a simple, tasty breakfast is served, and some rooms even have their own private courtyards. What makes Nam Keng our top pick is its perfect balance. It's not trying to be a 5-star luxury resort. It's a boutique hotel that nails the essentials. A clean and comfortable room, friendly staff, and a location that is impossible to beat. You step out the door and are minutes from top sights and the best street food in the city. It's the kind of place that transforms a simple hotel stay into your own quiet sanctuary, making it a core part of your travel adventure. So, there you have it, our top 10 incredible hidden gem hotels in Penang, Malaysia, each offering a unique experience without that luxury price tag. We've shown you that whether you're on a tight budget or have a little more to spend, you never have to settle for a boring hotel. From the unbeatable value and location of Nam Keng Hotel to the historical immersion of Muntri Mews and the unique cultural experience at Jawi Peranakan Mansion, there's a perfect stay waiting for you. Choosing a hotel like one of these truly changes a trip, making it part of the adventure itself. Which hotel would you pick? Let us know in the comments below. We've linked all these amazing hotels in the description if you want to check them out for your own trip. And if you found this travel guide helpful and want more content that digs deeper to find the best value for your travels, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Truly means the world to us. Until next time, travel safe.